Hello and welcome back. We now discuss an example from differentiation. The question is differentiate the following function with respect to x. So we have been given two algebraic expressions and we have to find the derivative of this function. So let us name this function, say y. So let y be equal to 2x cube minus 7 into 9x raised to 5 plus 2 times x square minus 3. Now here it is very much possible to perform the multiplication and then we could take the derivative. Otherwise we could use the product rule, that is u into v rule. So let's multiply the two brackets and then later we'll be taking the derivatives. So we have y equals, now let's multiply by 2x cube. Now 2x cube into 9x raised to 5. Now 9 into 2, that's 18. And x cube into x raised to 5. So that's x raised to 8, right? 3 plus 5 is 8. Now 2x cube into 2x square. 2 2s are, that's 4. X cube into x square is x raised to 5. 2x cube into minus 3, that's minus 6x cube. Now we'll multiply by minus 7. Now minus 7 into 9x raised to 5. 7 9s are 63, so we have minus 63x raised to 5. Minus 7 into 2x square is minus 14x square, and minus 7 into minus 3 is positive 21. So further if we simplify, we'll have 18x raised to 8. Now here we have 4x raised to 5 and minus 63x raised to 5. So 4 minus 63, now we perform this subtraction, we'll have minus 59x raised to 5. And then we have the cube term over here, so minus 6x cube, then the square term minus 14x square, and lastly the constant term, that is plus 21. And now we differentiate with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx is equal to, now 18 is the coefficient, so 18 times derivative of x raised to 8 minus, again 59 is the coefficient, so 59 times derivative of x raised to 5 minus 6 times derivative of x cube minus 14 times derivative of x square, and 21 is a constant, so lastly we have derivative of 21. Now here we apply the formula for x raised to n. Derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. So using that formula we get 18 times 8 into x raised to 7 minus 59 into x raised to 5. If we take the derivative, we have 5x raised to 4 minus 6 into derivative of x cube will be 3x square minus 14 into derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of 21. 21 is a constant, so derivative value will be 0. Now we'll have the final answer. 18 times 8, if we multiply, we'll have 144 times x raised to 7 minus, now 59 into 5 gives 295, so minus 295 times x raised to 4. 6 3s is 18, so minus 18 into x square. 14 2s is 28, so minus 28x. So this is the final value for the derivative.